Thinking about driving a forklift in Poland? You'll need a UDT license, that's the certificate issued by the Office of Technical Inspection. First, sign up for a certified training course. These usually last a few days and cover both theory and practical driving skills, both needed to prepare you well to pass the exam. Make sure that you will pick good, experienced school that is teaching directly in English like we do. Next, you'll take the official UDT exam. It has 3 parts: a written test, verbal question, and a practical test where you operate the forklift under an inspector's supervision. The training centre should organise an exam in English for you. You don't have to worry about paperwork in that case. If you pass, you'll receive your UDT license card, and it's good to obtain the full category license, means 1 WJO. That's how you legally and safely get certified to drive a forklift in Poland. So, to sum it up, training, exam, license. Visit our website and sign up today, coursespoland.pl.